Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unbagging the Medusa'S makeup bag. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, your girl is shot. This is my third unboxing for today. I just want to bang out these boxes and get them all out the way so you guys can see everything because your girl's a little behind. This is a December bag and we are in January. So sorry. So sorry. But this is actually I have one more and then that's it. Then I'll be up to date with everything. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna do an unbagging for you guys, but I just wanted to welcome anyone new to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel on makeup. I love makeup. I love everything makeup related, which is why I started my channel. I do makeup subscription boxes, mystery boxes, makeup hauls, makeup, everything makeup. If you guys like makeup like me, subscribe. Thank you. And if you like my videos and you want to support me, you can always give me a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. Alrighty, so let me stop chit-chatting and let's see what we got. So those of you who are new to Medusa'S makeup, it is a vegan, like clean makeup subscription box or bag, whatever you want to call it. They used to have them in boxes, then they were in bags again, then they're in boxes, then they're in bags. They can't make up their mind, but nevertheless, this was inside. You get a little card, a tiny one. It says December 2020, cruelty-free and vegan beauty box. And like I said, everything is like all clean, cruelty-free, which I love, all vegan. And it's rare when you find vegan makeup that's like colors with a pop. So I think that's kind of cool. They always give something with a pop of color, something that's natural. So you always get to like come out of your comfort zone. If you like more natural stuff, they give you something with a pop of color. And if you like something with a pop of color, they also give you something natural. So you get the best of both worlds with this subscription. And I want to say normally 90% of this subscription is like all makeup, which I love. That's why I subscribe to it because I love more makeup than skincare. So this is the card. It shows you everything you got. It says ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. I miss the holiday season already. It just ended and I miss it. But before you know it, it'll be the holidays again. That's for sure. So I'm gonna take everything out. I'm super excited to see what I got. Ooh, this is cool. A liquid eyeliner sealer. This is nice and it's vegan. Very interesting. This retails for $9. So very inexpensive. It's a eyeliner sealer says turn eyeshadow dust and eyeshadow into eyeliner or paint. That's kind of cool. Then I got what is this? Mineral eye dust in dirty. This is an all natural mineral eye dust. It glides on skin like silk and wears all day. So what is this? Oh, it's like a loose powder type of thing. Very excited for that. I also got a lipstick. This lipstick retails for $14. I think they gave me this. Ow. I just stabbed myself with the box. That hurt. I think they gave this to me already. Baruch. I think I got a red one. Actually, no, I'm lying. I got a red one, and this one is like a, like kind of like a plum color. I actually have one of Medusa'S makeup, the liquid lip, but I put a little bit gloss over it because the liquid lips that did feel a little drying to me, at least. But then again, I don't like how mostly any liquid lips feel. I only like Smash Boxes because those don't feel really dry. But this color is beautiful. I am here for this liquid color. So you see what I say? They always give you something like with a pop of color too. So if you like natural, they'll get you out your comfort zone real quick. And then that retails for $14. This retails for $16. It's a Halo Glow Cheeks Glowing All Day highlighter. It looks really light, so I'm not even gonna open this. Because by the picture right here, you probably can't see it, but the top of the stick looks white. Which means that is gonna be too light for your girl. Too late. So I'm gonna pass on that. This is what it looks like, though. It looks the packaging looks really pretty. Ooh, it matches my nails, like identical to my nails. Love that. I got a brush. I love getting brushes. Ooh, this brush is beautiful. Guys, let's take a moment to just appreciate this brush handle, guys. I have to take a moment just to appreciate. Look at this, guys. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? I'm like looking in the viewfinder. I'm like, do you guys see this? And I'm trying to look myself. I'm like, do you see it? Because I see it. But this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. And it's an angle brush. Ooh, it's nice and soft. So you can use to put on powder on your brows. Very nice. Very, very nice. This retails for, wow, the brush is only $6. So the most expensive thing was this Halo stick for $16, but everything else was inexpensive. It said this whole box retail is 54 smackaroos. This is where it says how much it is retails for. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's really small, but it says $54. This box retails for, it says, I got it for 6 months, so I'm paying $17.95 a month. But like, if you wanted to just get the monthly, it was $18.95. I'm looking down because I have my phone down here where I'm getting the prices from. So the box is under $20, and it was a $54 value. So I'm overall happy with this box or a bag, whatever you want to call it. What did you guys think? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items for how much did I pay? $17.95. I love, like I said, that this is like all vegan, all clean, cruelty-free box. I'm all about that. So I'm very happy to try out some more makeup, and everything was makeup. Everything was makeup related. So I would give this out of 10, I would give this a 9 because it was all makeup. The true makeup boxes get a higher point in Aisha's eyes. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you want to show my channel some love, like as always, don't forget me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.